Students, will start with Unit 1 revision, that is Introduction to Computer Graphics. So what is computer graphics? Just a minute. Yes. Now anything which is not a text, like you can say on computer, is treated as computer graphics, we can say. Anything other than text is treated as graphics, right, on a computer. Now nowadays almost all computers are using graphical user interfaces. This is because users are not interested in doing any operation by giving textual command. So rather the operation are done by using different icons and GUIs. Now the term computer graphics has several meaning, like the representation and we can say manipulation of the pictorial data by a computer. The various technologies used to create and manipulate such pictorial data, the images so produced because of it, and we can say the subfield of computer science which studies methods for digitally synthesizing and manipulating visual content, right? See study for computer graphics. Now today computer generated pictures are becoming integral part of our daily life. Computers are used in many versatile fields like television, animation film, medical science, simulation field, etc. So a range of tools and facilities are available to enable user to visualize their data. And computer graphics are used in many disciplines. Basically, the computer is a data processing machine, or we can say it is a tool which is used for storing, manipulating, and displaying data. So we can collect or generate data and process it according to user's need. Now, let us say that data is entered from keyboard, right, in form of two numbers, say 10 and 20. Now we can process this data by performing some operation on it. Mm, say addition, so that we will get the result like 10 plus 20 equals to 30, right? So here 30 is the result. It means here we have performed addition process on input data. This data is called as information. Now the information can help us to make decisions and also understand the world and control the operations. So if the data elements are less in number, then we can easily perform any operations. But as the volume of information increases, a problem arises. A problem could be of type more time required to process data, accuracy problem, understanding may be difficult, and so on. So how can this large information be effectively and efficiently transferred between machine and human? Now a machine can easily generate 100 lines of code or 1000 lines entries of table, right? But such a code or table may be worthless if the human reader does not have time to go through it or understand it. So if the reader is not going to read all the 100 lines of code and analyze it, then he will be doubtful about the output of that code. So even if the code may be correct, as reader is not reading it sincerely, he is doubtful about that code. So at this stage, computer graphics comes and it helps a lot. So computer graphics is study of techniques to improve communication between human and machines. The word computer graphics actually means pictures, graphs, or scene, right? Which is drawn with the help of computer. We can draw a graph which may replace that huge tables of 1000 entries and allow the reader to note the relevant patterns and characteristics at a glance. So here we can say computer represents the data provided to it in a pictorial form. The input given by user so often changes the output presented by the machine. Now a dialogue can be established through the graphics medium. So now there is a term which is used, interactive computer graphics, right? Example is histogram. So here we'll provide input data to machine, suppose as a result of FE to B. So for example, FE result is 70%, for SC suppose 80, TE 65, and B 90%. So if we draw a histogram with this database, it will be easy to understand and analyze the result of FE to B, that is which class is having maximum result, which class is having minimum result, etc. Right? So here, just by working on one diagram, we can answer many questions. Now by changing the input parameters, we can modify the output picture. That is, if FE result increased from 70% to 80%, then certainly the histogram is going to change. Similarly, the other examples could be pie chart, cardiogram, etc. Cardiogram takes heart pulse, right, as input and converts the input on graph paper. Graph paper. Okay, so computer graphics allows communication through picture, charts, and diagram. As we can say that 1,000 words can be replaced by a single picture in computer graphics, and it is easily understandable. Applications of computer graphics. Now there are many applications of computer graphics and variety of field in which it is applied, such as engineering, mm, we can say, then scientific software, business software, TV channels, PCB design, map preparation, then user interface, animation, making chart, image processing, office automation, desktop publishing, CAD CAM, art and commerce, process controlling, visual effect. So there are different areas which we can summarize as display of information, design, simulation, computer art, and entertainment. This is display of information which comes under the field of science. Medical image can also be displayed. Then this comes under designing process, interior designing using AutoCAD CAM. Then simulation. Simulation is used, see, for flight simulators. Then art, graphics for artists. Then entertainment like movies, game, etc. Now we'll see the main basic element of computer graphics or any display unit on which through we can see a image is made up of basically pixel. What is pixel? As it suggests, the computer stores and display pixels or pixel element. Uh, Here it is written that the pixel is the smallest addressable part of computer screen. Right? We know that a number of pixels together can form a proper screen or image, right? So pixel is basically the smallest unit of a screen or a part of that computer screen. Now pixel is stored in binary code representing color. So the code for pixel can be between 1 and 32 bit of binary code. And we can say that a pixel is the smallest unit, and number of pixels together can form and create an image on a computer screen. So, and here it is the Photoshop log as to the normal eyes. They say normal size because a normal pixel cannot be viewed through a normal individual eye. What is resolution? All these parts come under video adapters or basics of computer graphics, right? So what is resolution? Now we can say that the maximum number of points that can be displayed without overlap on CRT. Did you get it? The maximum number of points we can say that can be shown or displayed without overlap on CRT is referred to as resolution. So resolution refers to the number of dots on the screen. Now it is expressed as pair of numbers that give the number of dots. It is expressed as, we can say, a pair of numbers that gives the number of dots on that horizontal line and the number of such vertical lines. So for resolution there is, so for four resolutions are commonly basically used in today's time. that is 640 into 480 resolution. You have heard this, 800 into 600, then 1024 into 768, 1280 into 1024. So computer display generates colors by combining amount of red, green, blue. These colors are controlled by three wires in the display cable. Each has a variable amount of voltage represented by a number from 0 to 255. This produces up to 16 million possible colors.